Hi guys, today I will show you this new set of wipers from Wipertech. So I ordered this last Saturday night, so 17th of June. Then now it arrived probably just a week. Today is what? 23rd of June. Okay, so I ordered this from Australia, and it was delivered about 5 days here in New Zealand. So arrived in my doorstep. Okay, so I'll just open this now. Probably open from the side. Okay, so just a little. This one is not properly in, but no biggie. Let's open this now. Okay, so it's some delivery information. Then here are the wipers. So this will be used on Honda CR-V 2007 model. So I need one 26-inch and one 17-inch. So this is for driver's side, and this one's for passenger side. 17-inch, 425, and this one 650. It's really hard to look for a long one. Normally it's like a 24-inch, but this one is 26. Okay, so it looks like this. So with the protection here, then to install it, or just open this one, then slide this one to the hook. I will show you later. Also this one. So it's the same. So just open this one, then this one you can slide, then lock. Okay, I'll show you this